Hello, this is your girl Sharon Nareen coming to you here from the beautiful Sunshine State with Create Wealth with Sharon.com. Create Wealth with Sharon.com. And folks, that's my number one recommended business opportunity. Create wealth with Sharon.com. Of course, you have to put the HTTP colon // then create CreateWealthWithSharon.com. So it's Create Wealth with Sharon.com. And folks, what I want to talk to you this morning about is there's so many things going on right now with the corona pandemic. Okay, people are going crazy somehow. This is how I should say. I mean, when I say people are going crazy, to the point that they don't know what else to do because they're not getting the enough. I mean, the money that they were making, perhaps, or for various reasons, because somebody that well, it's not we know this person personally, but it kind of hit home. Um, a very young woman doing so well, but just because she cannot endure that her company closed down, um, and it is, for not forever. I mean, that's the thing people don't get. Um, you know, the government has to do what he has to do because of this virus from spreading. I mean, and this woman had wanted to go back to work. She didn't want to be at home, or she cannot stand the fact that she can't go to work and it's only temporarily, which doesn't make no sense to me. But besides the point, I'm not gonna condemn. I'm not. This video is not to condemn or criticize or to debate. Okay, but what I want to say is that, folks, even though with the pandemic, this corona thing going on, there's no need to panic. Okay, there's no need to go into a stressful mode. It is stressful enough and you don't need any more additional. So my point is that, to supplement your income, besides, a lot of people um, get the stimulus package, which I know that's not enough, and then how long would you depend on the government? So my encouragement to you is that there are so many other ways that you can supplement your income, or you can make some extra money online and also offline. And folks, what I will do is that you down below, I will put all the multiple streams of income that I am doing, all from the comfort of my home. As a matter of fact, I've been full time, doing home based business for a very long time. So I know what I'm talking about. I have seen the ups and I've seen the downs. I mean, when the bubble burst in real estate, 2008, 2009, it affected a lot of people. Many people had got caught with their pants down, so to speak, which means that they had a lot of properties. They couldn't sell it back real quick. A lot of people have properties to flip to make a fast profit. They could not do that because the market came crashing down, and they could not get the price that they even pay in the first place for the house. So, folks, a lot of people bounce back after that. So here is another situation, except that this is, to me, it's a total different story because this is your health. All right, but again, like as I said, things will pick up, things will happen. You can work this thing out and make a change, make it happen. Do not panic. Okay, so there are so many business, all right, and all the multiple streams of income that I am in, folks, are making money. Okay, I do not jump into any and all kind of business. Okay, because I know the ins and outs. I've been online. I know the ups and downs, and I know what to look for. So when you see my link, you must know, okay, Sharon had tested this. This is fine. This is okay. You can go ahead without a shadow of a doubt and sign up. Okay, and folks, I have, for those, I'm talking for to those who, like the retirees, baby boomers, I mean college kids. I'm talking to, the stay-home moms and dads. I'm talking to entrepreneurs like myself, like pretty much like caregivers like myself. I am a full-time caregiver. I'm taking care of my mom, 84 years old. I had took care of my dad until he passed away 2 years ago. So folks, I'm talking to all of these kinds of people, okay? As a matter of fact, and this, I mean, there's some of the business, it is worldwide, okay? It is, you can, people from all across the world can do this business, okay? Some of them are only for the US and for Canada, but most of them is for everybody across the world. So folks, I want to encourage you today. I want to tell you that there is light at the end of the tunnel, and I am encouraging you to look into the links that I will be posted below after my video. You will be seeing that link, and if you need you have any question, please feel free. I'm very transparent, okay? Please reach out to me at 352-805-9846. You can even text me. That's the best way, okay? I can receive my text, whether if I'm in the doctor's office. Well, now there's pretty much meeting now on conferencing. The doctors are doing that, so my mother don't have to go into the office, or my husband. So reach out to me by text, 352-805-9846. And folks, these multiple streams of income, okay, they are generating money, they are bringing in money, and it is very simple. Now all of them have support and also training, pretty much. Some of them you don't even need any training. It is so pretty much straightforward, okay? Anything at all, call me, reach out to me, folks. I am here, willing, ready, and able to help you, to teach you, to show you how simple, how easy it is that you can generate extra money, all from the comfort of your home. Or pretty much, if you have a cell phone, folks, you can turn your cell phone into a cash machine, okay? Like when you go to the ATM, yes, like an ATM machine, you go to the ATM and money comes out. This is how simple it is, folks. If any at all, this is the one. It's so simplified, okay? All you need is your cell phone and your number, folks. They are so unlimited income that you can make with these multiple streams of income. Again, like as I said, I'm willing, ready, able to teach you, show you a real way, a legit way, an easy way out for you to make that extra money, that you wouldn't be stressed out, that you wouldn't be worried, but money will come in. So you take care, be safe, be blessed, and I shall talk to you soon. Take care. Sharon Narain, createwealthwithsharon.com. Bye for now.